In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically generate subtitles for your videos for free using FileTranscribe. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, FileTranscribe is an awesome transcription and subtitling service and also translation. It's AI powered and it offers free transcription, diarization, summaries and more with accurate time-saving solutions. That is transcription and subtitling. And we can scroll down slightly. Right here, free automatic transcription, and the limitations. Let's go to the limitations somewhere here. As for the audio length, if you're on the free plan, is 1 hour for the free plans. Now, some of these things may change in the future, but at the time of recording this video, that is May 2025, this is free, and you can see what types of files you can upload. But all we need to do now is just either transcribe now or just click on the app. I'll click on transcribe now, and I'm going to come to this particular interface, more or less your workspace, where you'll see the files you've worked on and also the option to upload audio or video file. I'll click on this, and from here I'll select all files and select the file I want to automatically generate the subtitles for, and it's this particular file. It's about 3 minutes 41. And the first process is just click on transcribe file, and it's going to upload this particular file onto FileTranscribe. And once it's done, your transcription is being processed. Please keep this page open. Thank you for your patience. And as always, you can help them grow by donating. They have this particular button, but it's done with our transcription. I can just click on view transcription. Now, once you do this, you can see what the transcript looks like and play it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to redact PDF documents using Foxit PDF editor. It's done a really good job in all that right there. Now, the only thing I've noticed is that there's more or less no option to kind of edit our transcript for any mistakes. So maybe hopefully it's going to be available in future. Because we want subtitles for this, then we need to click on this particular icon here, captions, click on that. And from here, because we already have our transcript in English, then we'll just leave it as English and then click on SRT and then click on generate captions. So we're working to generate SRT captions, and it's more or less like just provide the timestamps for that particular transcript. So welcome to this video. Let's go here. I think it's playing what's in the option, or more or less the transcript feature. So I wish it was actually also once you do the generate, it comes in here and follows along with this. In this tutorial, I'll show you how, because in the transcript mode right here, you can see it follows along. I wish it did the same for this, but once we have our subtitles here, we can now come to these 3 particular dots here, click on that, and then click on download options, captions, that is the SRT is what I'm going to check, and then click on download all files. I'll click on it, double click on it, and you have our SRT subtitle files right there. And that is how you can use FileTranscribe to automatically generate subtitles for your videos for free. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.